So you changed your mind on the heat transfer vinyl design on your shirt. You still like part of it and you don't want to waste the VLR and the vinyl by removing and replacing the entire design. I'm going to show you how to use VLR to remove and replace just a portion of your design. My name is Ruth and this is Hank's Maker Mentor. I applied this design on a shirt and then after the person tried it out, they decided the font for the words "the best" and "rest" were harder to read than they expected. VLR to the rescue. I was careful to apply the VLR just to those words. I then cut out those words in a new font and I put them on separate lines but right next to each other to minimize the vinyl I used. I want to be able to use this vinyl on my other projects. Before you apply any sort of heat to a project that already has heat transfer vinyl on it, you need to be sure you have something between your heat source and your project. I have used magnets to attach a Teflon sheet to the top of my heat press because I have a hard time remembering to put a Teflon sheet or piece of parchment paper or butcher paper on between every press. After preheating it, you can still see some remains of that previous font, but I wasn't worried about it since I knew I was going to cover that entire section. Once I aligned the new text, I pressed it and I took off the carrier sheet, pressing it again for a couple of seconds just to be sure everything was secure. I love how much easier this is to read and the vinyl I saved by not having to cut the entire design again. If you've made it this far in the video, you have earned an extra keyword entry for my 1-year YouTube anniversary giveaway. The keyword is Opal. If you haven't already, please consider clicking subscribe and the bell icon so you can be notified when I release new videos every week and when I'm going live to announce the giveaway winners. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye.